If you are tracking your cost or expenses by customer job, then we have this review point named entries without customer or project can help you find all those transactions where it is not assigned. So it's very simple to assign customer or project to this transaction. So let's just say there is this transaction, and let's just say I kind of find that it should go to this particular job. I click on it and I save it, and it will be assigned. You can set the configuration here. So when you click on config, you can decide that, hey, I don't really need to see the transactions that are journal entries, or so basically you can exclude certain transactions type if those transactions type are not applicable. Just like that, if there are any such accounts where you think that it's gonna be applicable, you can exclude those accounts, so that way transactions recorded to those accounts will not show up here.